Hey guys, welcome to Social Nerd. This is Upama Sherpa, and in today's video I'll show you how to delete a playlist on YouTube from your mobile device. A YouTube playlist is a collection of videos that play in order one after another automatically. When one video finishes up, the next one in the queue comes on the screen without the user taking action. And just like music playlist, you can shuffle YouTube playlist to keep things fresh. So if you already have a playlist on YouTube, then you can easily manage or delete the YouTube playlist using your mobile phone. In order to do that, first you need to download the YouTube app on your mobile device and log into it. Once you do that, tap on it to open. Then here at the bottom right hand side corner, you can see a library icon. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see in this page there is a playlist section. Now tap the playlist you want to delete from this playlist section. Now you are on your YouTube playlist page, and here at the top right corner you can see 3 horizontal dots. Tap on it. Here you can see various options available. Now go to delete playlist option and click on it. Once you click on it, you can see the delete confirmation for your playlist. Go to the delete option and tap on it. Once you do this, you can see the playlist deleted pop up on your phone screen. After you delete the playlist URL and the title will no longer be visible or searchable in YouTube Analytics. Data associated with the playlist, such as watch time, will still be a part of border reports but won't be attributed to the deleted playlist. So this was the easiest way to delete a YouTube playlist from your mobile device. Thanks for watching the video guys. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was useful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.